is Salman Sircar. I'm a product support engineer at Conserve It. In this video, I'll show you the two hardware options available for running PlantPRO. On this hand, I have the CI534, which is a dedicated Niagara controller. On the other hand, I have the CIDD3000, which is a Dell hardware running Niagara Supervisor on Windows. One of the obvious advantages of using the CI534 is the availability of the onboard I/O. So it has a total of 34 I/O points available. To break it down, you have 16 universal inputs. So it caters for all the input types that you will require for PlantPRO. So you have things like temperature sensor, you have digital inputs and analog inputs. Likewise, it also has output points available. So 10 digital outputs and 8 analog outputs. And one of the other advantages of using the CI534 is the small form factor. As you can see, it has the I/O points on it. And even though size-wise it's similar to the DZ3000, it doesn't need an additional I/O module. Also, if you're going to be using a serial protocol like Modbus RTU or .NET MSTP, you can directly communicate with the CI534 using the serial port, whereas with the DZ3000 you will be needing to use an additional module. Usually you will be selecting the CI534 for most small to medium scale PlantPRO projects, as you can utilize the onboard I/Os and wire it directly to the equipments instead of having to use an additional I/O module. Now let's go over the benefits of using the CIDD3000. So the CIDD3000 is a Niagara Supervisor running on Windows. Compared to the CI534, it has more storage space and faster CPU available, which means that it can control more chillers without running into a CPU bottleneck, and also it can store history for a long period without running into buffer issues. For applications where you would be needing to run 4 or more chiller units, it's advisable to use the CIDD3000 due to the bare specs in terms of the CPU. For applications where you will need to display the PlantPRO dashboard, it also has a display port available, so you can directly hook up a touch screen and interact with the PlantPRO dashboard directly. Whereas with the CI534, you will be needing to use another computer to request the HTML page and display it on a screen. For applications where you need to control 4 or more chiller units, for critical applications, for applications where you'll be placing it in a harsh environment, and also in situations where you want to utilize the PlantPRO dashboard directly by using a touchscreen, it is advisable to use the CIDD3000. Whereas the CI534 does the job for most small-scale applications where you can utilize the onboard I/O. Both the CIDD3000 and the CI534 are excellent hardware. You can choose the most appropriate controller based on your building's needs.